That's been driving me crazy. What the hell? Calm it down, psycho. What?
Go to sleep. I thought he was asleep already. Good God. Okay, I'm still bringing half my energy in this one just because of how tired I am. I feel worn out. How do you feel?
I'm tired.
But I guarantee you still feel like you can run a marathon.
No, I cannot.
Feel like I'm just going to lay down for the count. If anybody is thinking the 24 chance.
Get over here and lay against the counter.
Today we are doing another taste test challenge, and it is Frizzles. Am I pronouncing it right? It is freeze-dried Skittles. Show the camera, please. Thank you.
I have no idea how to...
We have done a Skittles one before, but these are freeze-dried Skittles. And my points of the videos are pretty much try random things that nobody has ever seen before. I have never seen these before. Maybe you have. And if you have, please comment where.
Alright, you ready for the first one?
Yeah.
Alright.
The thing that's throwing me off about
First
these
one.
is that they are freeze-dried inside the shell of a Skittle.
There you go.
Can you see that? That's a sour one.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready for the next one.
That just dissolves.
Next one.
This is not something that you're going to want to eat on a day-to-day basis.
No, definitely not. You ready?
Oh my goodness. Original.
Okay. Last and final one. When you're
These aren't
ready.
really, the only one that really tasted like it had something was the sour one, and unless that wild berry or if the other one has a distinct taste, I'm not going to know it.
Oh, excuse me.
Wild berry.
Alright, remember the blindfold. You got them all right.
Did I really?
Yeah.
So
I literally went this one, and that one.
I literally guessed. And the thing is, this is the only one that has a distinct
Really?
flavor. The other two, they don't have any kind of flavoring. I know. You said this one was...
That one's the wild berry.
Knowing it now, I still can't taste it.
Seriously?
No. They're as puffy as a...
Marshmallow.
No.
No? Ow! God dang it!
Y'all know packing peanuts?
Oh god. Circus peanuts.
No, there's an actual...
Yeah, I know the packing
A
peanuts.
candy that is really real. My little brother used to eat these all the time. Was the circus peanuts.
Yeah, I
The
know.
little orange circus peanuts. Do they still make them?
Yes.
They do?
Yes.
We'll have to get some then.
Yes, I do believe they do.
We'll have to get some then. And do a video with them.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah.
No.
We will figure it out. I guarantee you they're going to be like, let's do it. Circus candy. Taste test challenge. First one. We're still on the Skittle Frizzles. Is that how you pronounce it? Frazzle. Free Skizzles. FR
Regular?
is Skittles. Next one. They kind of feel like Pop Rocks in your mouth, don't they? Could you imagine freeze-dried Pop
God.
Rocks?
That's a wild berry.
Last and final one.
Ah!
Did they freeze dry these, or did they just like put something in them?
I don't know. Sour.
Please remove the blindfold. You got them all right. For an up close view for you guys, this is what it looks like. This is a real Skittle, freeze dried. It looks like a little Krabby Patty. I lose because I'm on this channel. Give me that can for a second. Have you guys ever read the actual can of these? So, I work in the dairy department, right? And when I was stocking it today, I noticed something on the back here for instructions. Or, I don't know, it says decorations. Literally on the can, it says shake 4 times. And then it shows you how to use it. Who the hell is shaking this can 4 times before using it? I rarely shake the can once before I use it.
Do you want me to add some more for you?
Yeah. I usually shake the can once before using it. 4 times?
Let's make sure it's all like, oh.
Consistent wise?
Yeah.
Who the hell is shaking the can 4 times?
I don't know.
Like and subscribe.
Ready?